Hello everyone, I'm Tegan Wiedenhap and this is my second new technology for Module 15. This website is called Kahoot and it is a website basically you can create quizzes or surveys um, just to ask your class different questions. It would be a good review. The reason I picked it is I'm always looking for different ways to engage the students in um, assessments or review. So this is an easy way where the kids can get on. They could either work in a group to answer the questions or individually, and they could each answer from their own tablet while I post a question to them. So it's just an engaging way to get the students to want to review from the past unit or lesson. Um, my purpose of this would be collaboration with peers. You can set up into different teams to take the quiz or survey, and I just think that's a great way to get the kids to collaborate with each other. It aligns well with the standard for educators 5B, creating authentic learning activities that align with the standards. So I'll show you a little bit about how Kahoot works. You can go, this is a home page, this is what it looks like when you log in, and you can go on and create your own quiz. So I will show you how to do that. Well, I can't really do it because I don't have um, actual students, but I can show you what it would look like. So let's say this quiz is about colors, and it's going to be an art question. And so the question will be, let's see, what two colors make green? So I can put red and blue, um, blue and yellow, and that's the right answer, so I'm going to check mark that. Pink and orange, and black and purple. And then so I would hit next, and here's my first question about colors. What two colors make green? I can set the time limit for my students to answer. Let's say I want them to take no longer than 30 seconds, and then that's it. That I save it, and so I have my first question. So now I'm done, and now I want to challenge my kids. So let's play it, and this is where it gets, I can't actually show you how it looks like because I don't have students logged into my account, but this is where the kids can each have their own tablet to answer the questions, or you can put them in groups of teams, which I think would be something I would do more of, is have maybe 3 or 4 of them together working, and I would use the team mode. So that's how that would look like, and let's just, so they would all have to get on their tablet and add in this game pin number, and it would take them right to the question. But I'll delete that page. So that's one way you could do it. Another way you can do it would be, let me go back home. You can go to Discover. So let's say I want to give them a quiz, or I have time to kill. I could choose from here, which none of these look like kindergarten questions, so I wouldn't use that. But I could do kindergarten sight words. I could go on here and I could again give the class a quiz about sight words. So which is spelled correctly, little, and then each of those are spelled wrong. So they would get on and play, and you would just they would have to put in that pin number again to play together. So my audience for this, if I were to use it in my classroom, would definitely be for students, but I could see if I was an administrator, I could see using this with staff members at an in-service. I think it would be a fun way to get the teachers to collaborate with each other. Maybe after a long in-service, you could get all the teachers to get on to Kahoot and answer questions about the in-service, or work together to answer questions. You could also do surveys. So to create a survey, you would hit create new, and if it was about a staff in service, you might want to title it, what is an area we can improve on? And then let's just say school improvement. And then you would just hit OK, go. And then everyone would get on in their Kahoot groups and answer, and it would be, then it would all be recorded and you could see who has similar answers. If everyone's different, everyone can, that's how, an easy way to do a survey. I think that would be a great way to get staff members all included and collaborating with each other. I know we need that in our school, and that would cover the ITSE standard for teachers 1A, to create professional learning goals, to explore technologies. So it'd be a good way to have all the teachers explore it, something new that can be in their classroom, as well as giving advice to our own school.